Hello, my name is Eva and I'm the creator of Color Changing Deals. Usually I'm not behind the camera, but today I decided to make a color changing shirt for you, like a tutorial to show you what our products can do. Since these are launching on Amazon for the first time and on our website, they are perfect for making color changing shirts, color changing shoes. You can make rocks with the kids, pet rocks. You can color canvas paintings. You can do glass bottles. You can do any cardboard, any surface you like. We made those paints special to adhere on every surface possible. So right now I'm going to try the red to yellow, blue to violet, and black to yellow. And since I'm going to be dyeing it on a shirt, I diluted the paint with 1:1 ratio. Usually they're screen printed, like Never Give Up. This is screen printed, just like painting with a regular stencil or with a squeegee on a shirt. And this is not diluted, this is pre-mixed, ready to use for a beautiful vibrant color. But I will dilute it to see how it works with a previous sprayer to make it easier for a shirt. And once the shirt dries on room temperature for probably about an hour, you can throw it in your regular laundry and wash it with your clothes, and the colors, I promise you, do not bleed off. They stay on. They're hot water and bleach resistant. So I screen printed this one with the regular stencils. This is blue changing to violet. And now we're gonna try the Prevail sprayer. I did this paint, 1 ounce of premix paint with 1 ounce water to make it little bit with low viscosity to make it easy through the sprayer, and let's see what will happen. I forgot to mention the most important thing. Our magic paint changes color every time you warm it up and cool it down, and the body heat and hand touch is usually enough to make the color changing effect. You can use your imagination to expose it to hot and cold, and your shirt and shoes will constantly change in color. Have fun! It's time to see if it's working. By the time I finish spraying, my shirt turned from red to yellow. Look at that. Once the painted shirt dries, I'll let it air dry for 1 hour, and I will put it on and we'll see if it changed by the heat of my body. But now it's time to see with the heat gun to see if it's working. Whoa. What do you think? Isn't that cool? That is amazing. Whoa. Wow, I think so many kids will have fun during the summer to paint their own color changing shirts for $25 only on Amazon, and we also have them on our website, colorchangingdeals.com. You can have so much fun this summer. Make your shirts, make your color changing shoes, and I guarantee you the color does not come off in the dryer. This is fantastic. It's time to have some fun.
We're just having fun.